Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can short sell on trading 212. So first of all, simply launch your app and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now when you log in into your account, you are going to see your home page. So over here you can choose your watch list, your commodities, stocks, indices, forex, basically any of these commodities or stocks in which you want to place the short sell order. So for example, let's say in the stock I have selected Tesla. So after selecting it, what you need to do is you need to just simply tap on the option of sell here on the top. Then it is going to show you this type of page. Now over here you just have to tap on the option of confirm sell, and on the market price the short sell order will be placed. Now if you want to set the limit order, you can just simply tap on this particular icon, which is set limit slash stop. So when you turn this toggle button on right next to it, you just have to enter the price at which you want to place the sell order. For example, let's say you want to place the sell order when the price of a Tesla stock comes at 303. So now you need to tap on the option of place sell order. So this way you will be able to do it. So when the price of Tesla stock comes at 303, your order or your sell or your short side position will be activated, and you can also manage it by selecting the take profit and the stop loss option over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.